Oh, there we go. There we go. Finally. Oh, this just looks magic. Absolutely magic. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, g'day guys. It's been pouring down rain the last 2 days. Weather's just starting to clear up. It's right at the end of the bass season, so I thought I'd give it a crack before it's all over for another season. It's 11:30 in the day and I'm fishing surface, but it's really overcast, so hopefully that'll work in my favour. And the first cast is in the trees. Good thing about weedless. Water's really murky. Got all the fresh water flushing in. This is the spot last time where I was fishing for bass and hooked onto a decent jack. I just had no chance of stopping it on the 10-pound. Nothing there today. Big school of mullet up here I'm about to spook. Look at them all. I don't know whether the camera's picking that up or not. Oh, there we go. There we go. Finally. Oh, he nailed that. He's not too bad. Not a horse, but that's definitely a start. Middle of the day, bass on the surface. Doesn't want to come near the net. Beautiful. Ha ha! We'll give him a quick measure. He's not a big fish, but first one of the day. He's setting the standard. Just wet the brag mat down a bit to help protect the fish. I got this from Australian Bass Fanatics. They sent me out a bit of merch, which I wasn't expecting. It was a bit of a surprise. Yeah, if you haven't checked them out, they've got a page on Instagram and they've got a website as well selling merch and a lot of information on Australian bass, so it's worth a look. Took a liking to that little Zman frog, that's for sure. He's definitely not a huge fish, but hey, he's about 35 to the fork, I suppose. I haven't got a very good flat surface to measure him on, but yeah, he'd be about 35 to the fork. That's a good start. Get him back and see what else we can find. Oh, he's hooked well. He's gone. I'll persist with the little frog for a little bit longer, I think, after catching that one. Can't beat a surface hit. I might be catching more fish if I went subsurface, but it's just way too much fun on the surface. Oh, there we go. Oh, you hammered that. That's in real shallow water too. It's only about a foot deep through there. That was awesome. He's not a bad fish. Where's my net? Beautiful. Come on. I need the longer arm. Yeah. He absolutely smashed that little frog. There you go, another nice little bass. He'd be in the 35 centimetre, 36 centimetre range to the fork again, I suppose. The sun's starting to get a bit low in the sky and the mosquitoes are well and truly coming out. Oh, there we go. He grabbed that as soon as he hit the water. He thought that was a frog just falling out of the tree, I think. Didn't even have a chance to move it. He's feeling okay. He's alright. So much fun on the surface. Oh, where are you? He's dragging me into the bushes. Gotcha. He might be a little bit bigger. Give him a quick measure and get him back in the water as quick as I can. There we go, he's a little bit bigger. He's gone to, where are we, 35, 6, 37 to the fork. Slowly getting bigger. There we go, he's not too bad a fish, 37 centimetres. Yeah, off the surface, any fish is a good fish, but yeah, good fun. Just getting out in areas like this is reward enough, but when you're catching wild Australian native species, it's awesome. I love it. See you, big girl. How pretty is this? Oh, there we go, it's another one. Oh, you never get sick of those surface hits. He's only a little fella. You're not net worthy. Oh, this is about as far as we're going to get in the kayak, without going on foot anyway. The base of these little rapids, quite often find bass actively feeding. They sit there and feed on all the insects and little fish that are getting washed over the rapids. It's always a good spot to target. That looks real bassy in there. Oh, there's a hit. He's got it. He had two goes at it. He's only a little one too. He's only a little fella. Yeah, only a little fella, but he's inhaled that frog. Really healthy looking fish. It's only a small cistern this, but the fish are so healthy. I might pull the pin on the bass fishing. I planned on paddling about a K downstream and fish for mangrove jack till dark, but I've left it a bit late. I've got the swag in the car, so I might find a spot to roll the swag out for the night and paddle downstream and have a go for the jacks in the morning. That was a fun little sesh on the bass. That'll be my last one for the season, I think.